Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Arpita Karwa and today we are going to be talking about another very important and very interesting topic from unit number 4 communication from UGC NET paper 1, and the topic is hot and cool media. And believe me friends, once you understand this topic, you'll never watch TV or read the newspaper the same way again. This is a topic which has gained a lot of popularity in the past few attempts of UGC NET because a lot of questions are being repeatedly asked from this topic. This is not something that they had mentioned explicitly in the syllabus or that has been given by NTA. But at the same time, you will see that they have been asking questions from this topic time and again. And that is why I would want to cover this in a separate video, because I know that a lot of people who just stick to the syllabus might not be aware that a topic like this exists. So let's begin our discussion, and let me first tell you that this concept of hot and cool media was introduced by Marshall McLuhan, a well-known media expert. He explained that different types of media need different levels of attention and involvement from the audience. Some media give us a lot of information, so we just sit back and enjoy. That's one type. Another media gives us less information, so we will have to think more and fill in the gaps ourselves. That's another type of media. Sounds simple, right? Don't worry, I'm going to break it down step by step with a lot of real life examples, just like I do always, so that this topic becomes super simple to understand. But before that, sit back and relax. I have created a special PDF that has summarized this entire video in just a few pages, and that is going to give you exam ready notes. You just have to drop a message on the WhatsApp number that is flashing on your screen, or click on the WhatsApp link that's there in the description box, and my team is going to send that handy PDF right on your phone. Okay, so first up we have hot media. Hot media basically kya hai? Hot media types of media that gives you a lot of information. You don't need to think too much or put in a lot of effort to understand them. The audience just receives the message and everything is already clear and complete. Now, here's a fun way to remember it. Think of hot media like a fully cooked meal. Everything is prepared, you just have to eat. No cooking, no guessing, no effort. That's what hot media is all about. Now, examples के बारे में सोचे. हॉट मीडिया के बारे में अगर मैं बात करती हूँ तो सबसे पहले अगर मेरे दिमाग में कुछ आता है तो दैट आर मूवीज. बिकॉज मूवीज में क्या है, एवरीथिंग इज गिवन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. यू डोंट हैव टू पुट इन अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रेन टू डीकोड व्हाट द पर्सन इज सेइंग. सो हॉट मीडिया की अगर हम बात करते हैं, सो दे आर मूवीज, न्यूज़पेपर, photographs and radio. And just like that, they provide rich detail and leave nothing for you to figure out. Now that we know what hot media means, let's quickly look at what makes them special and what are the key features. Because ये जो terms है जो मैं अभी आपको बताने वाली हूँ, ये as it is keywords हैं जो बार बार नेट के पेपर में आपको दिखेंगे, एंड इसके बेसिस पे आपको चूज करना होता है मल्टीपल सिलेक्शन ऑप्शन में दैट व्हाट्स करेक्ट एंड व्हाट्स नॉट. First key feature of hot media is that they are called high definition. Now, don't worry, we're not talking about HD TV here. High definition simply means that hot media gives you a lot of details. For example, when you watch a movie, you get visuals, sound, expression, background music, everything, right? So it gives you a lot of detail. That's why we call it high definition. Second key feature is less active participation. This means that the audience doesn't have to do much. You just sit back, relax, and receive the information. Think about listening to a radio. It's extremely effortless. आपको सब सुनाई दे रहा है, आपको समझ में आ रहा है. You're not there to decode anything. And the most important key feature of hot media usually focuses on one sense. एक आपके sense organ पे focus करता है. This means they engage only one of your senses at a time, like either your hearing or your sight. For example, magazines work through your eyes. Even though just one sense is involved, message is so detailed and complete that you don't need extra input to understand it. For example, if you have ever listened to a radio jockey or a podcast that's there on radio, you actually don't need any visual to support it, right? It is in itself complete and it makes a lot of sense. That's what we mean when we say that it just focuses on one sense, yet it is able to deliver the message clearly. Okay, so now that we have understood what is hot media, it's time to look at uska opposite, uska dusra bhai, which is cool media. Now, cool media, as you know, is just the opposite of hot media. जितने भी features हमने hot media के पढ़े हैं, बस उसको exactly opposite करते जाइए, and you will get what is cool media. Now, cool media, as you know, they don't give you all the information up front. Instead, they expect you to participate and fill in the blanks. You have to think, interpret, and sometimes even imagine what's going on. That's what cool media is all about. Let me give you a very easy way to remember it. Think of cool media like a DIY meal kit. Okay, DIY is do it yourself. होता है ना, बचपन में हमें DIY टॉयज मिलते थे जिसमें you basically get everything, you have to put them together to finally make the outcome. For example, एक DIY meal kit में क्या होगा, you'll get all the ingredients, but you will have to cook it yourself. You have to figure things out, mix things up, and make sense of the final result. It basically needs your active involvement. That exactly is what is cool media. Okay, so अब हम बात करते हैं कि cool media के क्या examples हैं. So phone calls and interactive web pages are two very good examples of cool media. They give you some information, but you have to engage and respond and process it to get the full message. Phone call है, आपको information मिल रही है, but जब तक आप engage नहीं करोगे, वो conversation आगे नहीं बढ़ेगी. या interactive websites है, that means आपने कहीं click किया, तब आपको वो कहीं और लेके जाएगा. जब तक आप click नहीं करोगे, जब तक आप engage नहीं करोगे, respond नहीं करोगे, you will not be taken forward. Now that we have understood what is cool media, we also looked at two very good examples. It's time to look at the key features. The first key feature is exactly opposite of hot media. Hot media was high definition. Cool media is low definition. That means cool media don't give you everything. They leave some parts out. You have to think, imagine, and fill in the missing details yourself to make complete sense of it. For example, another very good example of cool media are comic strips. हम बचपन में पढ़ते थे चंपक और इस टाइप की जो कॉमिक्स आती थी उसके अंदर देवर दीज कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स. अमर चित्रकथा फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपने कभी पढ़ी हो, दे वो लाइक माय फेवरेट चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज. सो अमर चित्रकथा में भी दे आर लाइक छोटे छोटे कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स बने हुए हैं एंड उसके थ्रू वो लोग स्टोरी सुनाते हैं. दोस थिंग्स आर बेसिकली कॉल्ड कॉमिक स्ट्रिप्स. Now, when you look at comic strips, you see a few drawings and dialogues, but the rest, like the tone of the voice, background action, is left to your imagination. That's what we call as low definition. The second feature is high interactivity. Cool media needs you to participate actively, either by thinking more or doing something. For example, let's say another very good example of cool media would be video games. Okay, now video games mean you're not just watching, you are making choices, solving challenges, changing the story as you play. Or think about interactive websites like Google Map or Duolingo. Now they need you to click, explore, and engage with the content in real time. And finally, the third characteristic of cool media is that it provides less information upfront. Unlike hot media that spells everything out, वो आपके उस फ्रेंड की तरह है ना जो सब कुछ बोल देता है आपके सामने, कुछ भी उसके पेट में नहीं रहता. That's hot media. Cool media is a secretive person जो थोड़ा सा बताएगा, बाकी सब आपको figure out करना है. Okay, so cool media is going to leave a lot of space for interpretation. For example, let's say during a phone call, you don't get visual clues like facial expression of the other person. You only hear the voice. So to fully understand the message, you will have to pay attention to tone, pauses, words. You fill in the rest using your own understanding. Okay. Now that was about hot and cool media. We are going to quickly do some questions that have been asked in the past years from this particular topic in UGC NET exam. But before that, let me tell you that you will find this topic explained in detail in my Amazon bestseller, the UGC NET Paper 1 book, India's only UGC NET book that comes with 100 plus video lectures and 4,000 plus unit-wise solved PYQs. In fact, my book has been praised for its innovative teaching style by legendary Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. So do check that out on Amazon. Now let's look at some of the previous year questions from this topic to see how it appears in actual UGC NET paper 1, and let's also see whether after doing so much of learning will you be able to attempt these questions correctly or not. So the first question is right there on your screen, which says that which of the following are considered hot media? And this was a question that was asked as a multiple selection question where you have been given 5 options and you have to select the right code. And the correct answer is option number 3, which includes C, T, and E. Now, why is this the correct option? Because radio, cinema, and photographs provide complete information with rich details. The audience just receives the message without actively participating or filling in the gaps. And that is the reason why it is a characteristic of hot media. Next, we have another question from hot media itself, and it asks you to tell which of the following are the features of hot medium. And the correct option here is B, C, and D. Why is this? Because number one, hot media provide large amount of information. Number two, it requires little effort to understand, and it also allows less scope for audience participation. So everything is presented clearly, so the audience just receives the message without needing to interact. And you see, in a very similar fashion, they had also asked questions on cool media. Features bhi puche hai, and which of the following are cool media? Ye bhi pucha hai. Okay, so if you're looking for more PYQs on this topic, you can refer to the Unit N questions that are given in the UGC NET Paper 1 book that provides you with numerous short unit-wise questions. That's it from my side for this video lecture. I'll meet you very soon in the next video lecture. Till the time we meet next, happy learning, keep loving literature, and stay tuned to arpitakarwa.com.